Yes, students, good morning and a very warm welcome to today's English class. I hope you all are safe. And now, as you all know that in our previous class, that is yesterday's class, we had already started the chapter clauses from our grammar section, right? And we had gone through its introduction. We have gone through the types of subordinated clauses. And from then, we have done in detail the noun clause. And now it's the time today to complete the adjective clause and the adverb clause. Along with the exercises of noun clause, we had completed that part, right? So today itself, I'll just give you a very quick, I can say the main highlights of the chapter that we have done in yesterday's class. उसके मैं कुछ highlights आपके साथ में discuss कर लूंगी and we'll straight away move to the adjective clause, that is the relative clause part. Okay? जिसको कल हमने बहुत short में we just had the introduction of the related clause and उसके बाद में it was the time that class got over. So now today revising that what actually the topic is. Clauses kya hai? Just with highlight revision. Okay, so clauses is what? Clause is a group of words. We know clause kya hota hai? Group of word hota hai that includes a subject. उसमें एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक वर्ब होता है एंड फॉर्म्स अ सेंटेंस और अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, और वो उसमें से एक सेंटेंस या उसका एक पार्ट फॉर्म कर लेता है. सिंगल क्लॉज सेंटेंस जो होता है, एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें एक सिंगल क्लॉज होता है, दैट इज कहने का मतलब it's just having one subject and one verb, तो वो एक single clause है, तो which has a single clause, that is a simple sentence. And a sentence with minimum 2 clauses and we can say it's joined with a connector, तो वो क्या होता है? It's compound sentence. And then a sentence which contains one main clause, जो एक main clause contain करता है, and one or more subordinate clause, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? is called a complex sentence. वो क्या हो जाता है? वो complex हो जाता है. Subordinate clause always appears immediately after the subordinating conjunction and the rest of the sentence is the main clause. Now it's the time that we should know that what a subordinate clause is और आप कैसे उसको identify करोगे. Things to be find out are this. So see, एक subordinate clause क्या होता है? It appears immediately after the subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction के बाद में वो appear होता है and the rest of the sentence is the main clause. और बाकी sentence क्या है? It's the main clause. Now see, when we talk of the main clause is what? Main clause is also called the principal clause. Main clause को हम principal clause भी कहते हैं and is a group of word. And वो क्या है? It is a group of words. ठीक है, अब हम देखेंगे we find out that what a clause is. उसके बाद में हमने देखा that clause obviously is a part of a sentence. So what are the different types of sentences? So we come to know that there are 3 kinds of sentences, that is simple, compound and complex. नाउ सिंपल में तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट अ सिंगल क्लॉज. जहां पे 2 क्लॉज और मोर क्लॉजेस की बात आती है, देन यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट क्लॉजेस आर. सो वी ऑलवेज नो दैट देयर आर मेन क्लॉज एंड द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. ठीक है, तो अब ये मेन क्लॉज क्या होता है, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या होता है एंड कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या होता है, थर्ड टाइप ऑफ क्लॉज. सो मेन क्लॉज वी ऑल नो दैट इट्स द प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज एंड इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो इंक्लूड करता है सब्जेक्ट एंड अ वर्ब एंड कैन फॉर्म अ सेंटेंस. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज क्या होता है? सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट इज नॉट अ सेंटेंस, जो कि एक सेंटेंस नहीं है. जो क्या है? इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस, इट्स नॉट कंप्लीट बाय इटसेल्फ, इट ऑलवेज वांट अ कनेक्टर एंड देन कनेक्टेड विद अ क्लॉज, मेन क्लॉज. तो जब इसके साथ में एक मेन क्लॉज आता है देन ओनली इट्स गोइंग टू गिव अस अ डिफाइंड मीनिंग, अदरवाइज उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता. So subordinate clause itself is always what? Is always incomplete. ठीक है, वो हमेशा क्या होता है? वो हमेशा incomplete होता है. So see, now further क्या आता है? उसके बाद में आता है coordinating clause. Now coordinating clause क्या होता है? It refers to each of the 2 or more parts of a sentence. ये रेफर करता है each of the 2 or more parts of a sentence and often joined by coordinating conjunction. और ये किससे joined होता है? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन से. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस कौन से होते हैं? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस आर लाइक एंड, बट, और, ये सब क्या है? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस. तो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ द क्लॉजेस, वी टॉक्ड ऑफ द मेन क्लॉज. मेन क्लॉज इज आल्सो नोन एज principal clause and it is a group of words that include a subject and it also has a verb and can form a sentence like I believe it. Okay, now comes subordinate clause. Subordinate clauses क्या होते हैं? Are also known as dependent clause. उन्हें डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज भी कहा जाता है एंड इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट इज नॉट अ सेंटेंस एंड इट इज व्हाट, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स। वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है, वो अपने आप में एक सेंटेंस नहीं होता, because when it's joined with some other words then only it's going to give us a defined meaning। और याद रखो that जो हमारा मेन क्लॉज होता है वो क्या होता है, इज एडेड टू द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज विद अ कंप्लीट when a complete sentence is formed। Now what is coordinating? Coordinate has two or more parts of a sentence and is joined by coordinating conjunctions जैसे कि but, and, or etc. so many। Now main clause में we do not need to discuss anything because it itself हमें पता है वो क्या है, it's main। okay, then जब हम बात करते हैं subordinate की, subordinates are of three types and those three types are what, कौन से three types है, it's noun, it's relative and it's adverb। Noun is what, a clause that works like a noun। वो clause जो noun की तरह work कर रहा है वो क्या होता है, noun clause, and forms the subject of a verb or a complement of a verb or an object of a verb, prepositions to infinite or participle। clause क्या होता है, clause that works like a noun। वो clause जो noun की तरह work करता है and forms the subject of a verb and it's forming the subject of a verb or a complement or a preposition or a infinite or a participle, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, noun। then relative clause, that is adjective। वो आपको पता है रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन से बिगिन होगा, लाइक हु, हुज, विच, जहां भी रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दिखे उसके बाद का क्लॉज कौन सा होगा, वो आपका रिलेटिव क्लॉज होगा। नाउ एडवर्ब क्लॉज में क्या होता है, एडवर्ब्स वी नो इट फंक्शंस एज अ एडवर्ब एंड इट्स ऑलवेज गिविंग अस इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू द प्लेस, टाइम, मैनर। हमेशा इन चीजों से रिलेटेड जो भी चीजें हमें देती है, प्लेस हो गया, टाइम हो गया, मैनर, कॉज, कंपैरिजन, एंड इट क्वालिफाइज अ वर्ब और एन एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब, तो वो सारा एडवर्ब क्लॉज आ जाता। ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी केम टू अ पॉइंट, लाइक आई गेव यू एन एक्सरसाइज। अब आपको फाइंड करना है दैट व्हाट क्लॉजेस आर। So how you are going to find the clauses? I gave you a sentence और मैंने बोला बताओ which kind of sentence it is। Now you will say ma'am it's difficult to find out that whether it's noun, it's adjective or it's adverb now, but you have to find it। तो आप कैसे find करोगे, आप क्या देखोगे इसको मालूम है, आप जो आपको sentence दिया गया है, make a question and if you find that there is a reply to what, that means noun clause, and if you find its reply to which, so that means it's adjective, and when you find that it's a reply to when, it's an adverb। so हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे इस चीज का। और देखो noun जो होता है is always a reply to what, adjective clause is always preceded by a noun or a pronoun। वो हमेशा एक noun या pronoun ही उसको precede करता है, ये भी हमेशा ध्यान रखना, ठीक है। तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, the pen you are hiding is mine, तो you can see नाउन और प्रोनाउन को प्रिसीड किया यहाँ पे। एडवर्ब में प्रिसीड और फॉलो द मेन क्लॉज। एडवर्ब क्लॉज हमेशा क्या करता है, इज ऑलवेज प्रिसीडिंग और इज टू फॉलो और फॉलो द मेन क्लॉज, या फिर ये हमेशा मेन क्लॉज को फॉलो करता है, ठीक है। तो you just have to take care of this thing। Now we went to the first main topic, that is the noun clause। ये हमने कल कर लिया था। Exercises we are not going to repeat it today, सिर्फ आप इसका ये देखोगे। Yes, so talking of the noun clause को कहाँ यूज कर लिया, सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट का preposition, complement to a verb, object to an infinitive and a case in apposition। So this is different places we can say कि हमने यहाँ पे हमने noun clause को यूज किया है। Now ये exercises we had already done in our yesterday's class and now हमने adjective clause का कुछ portion जो हम बोलते हैं जैसे introduction we did, तो उसको आज करेंगे। So what is adjective clause? Adjective क्या है, you all know। Adjectives are those words which qualifies a noun or pronoun। Like if I say Radha is a good girl, girl is a noun, and Radha is what kind of girl? Good girl। So good is what? Good is going to be an adjective। Okay, so when we talk of the adjective clause, it does the work of an adjective। ये एक adjective का काम करता है कि qualify करता है noun या pronoun को that comes before it। Like the subject of a principal clause, देखो the student who got the highest marks were selected for the scholarship। नाउ स्टूडेंट की बात हो रही है, ठीक है। हु गॉट द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स, दैट इज ये हाईएस्ट मार्क्स जो है इस क्वालिफाइंग व्हाट, क्वालिफाइंग द स्टूडेंट। तो है तो इन रिलेशन टू, ये हाईएस्ट मार्क्स किसके आया, हु मीन्स इट्स रिलेटेड टू दिस नाउन। कौन से नाउन से रिलेटेड है, सब्जेक्ट स्टूडेंट से रिलेटेड है, तो इट्स रिलेटेड टू अ नाउन, इट्स क्वालिफाइंग अ नाउन, दैट मीन्स इट्स एडजेक्टिव। Now objective of principle, God help those who help themselves. Now this who is again referring to what, to the people, that is to the noun. A noun pronoun which is complement to of the verb. Now see, this is the boy who has got the highest rank. Now again this who is referring to who, the boy, and the boy is what, boy is a common noun. So here यहाँ पे ये भी किसको qualify कर रहा है, the noun. To introduce an adjective clause, different connectives are used. ठीक है, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हु, whom, which, that, whose, who, whom, whose, ये सारे क्या है, these are used for person, and which and that for the things. तो जहां पे भी we are using these words to relate something, that is who, whom, whose, ये तीन जहां पे हम यूज कर रहे हैं, इट्स रिलेटेड टू द पर्सन एंड नाउन, तो थिंग्स भी हो सकती हैं। तो जहां पे हमने which and that यूज किया, इट्स फॉर what, it's for the things. So see, the girl who is wearing the blue dress, यहाँ पे who girl के लिए use हो रहा है, and girl is a noun. The person whom you want to meet, whom is related to the person. The pen which you borrowed from me, the which किसके लिए use हो रहा है, pen. So the girl, the person and the pen all are what, noun. And ये who, whom and which is qualifying what, is qualifying the following nouns. Now relative adverbs कहने का मतलब why, where and when. अब क्या होता है देखो, who, whom, whose, that and which, ये क्या है, these are relative pronouns. Now आते हैं relative adverbs. वो क्या होते हैं, relative adverbs होते हैं why, where and when. So जहां पे ये why, where and when आ रहा है, it's qualify the place, reason and time. So see, I don't know why she is absent today. So why she, ये किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है, इस नाउन के लिए, तो it's what, it's reason. Karthik knows it well where his dog is, it is qualifying a place. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. And the time when you have to work has arrived, it's related to the time. तो this way these are the relative adverbs. So we can say कि ये जो adjective clause होता है, it mainly begins with the relative things. जो कहीं पे कुछ रिलेट करने का काम कर रहा है, वहां पे ये होता है. ठीक है, नाउ देखो मूव करेंगे एक्सरसाइज पे. बहुत सिंपल है, अब हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज को अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं. पिक आउट ईच एडजेक्टिव इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस एंड से व्हिच नाउन और प्रोनाउन इन द मेन क्लॉज. नाउन या प्रोनाउन बताना है आपको. द प्लेस वेयर द कोलाइजन टुक प्लेस हैज बीन डिस्कवर्ड. अब ये बिल्कुल बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है. इट्स अबाउट द प्लेस, बिकॉज वेयर आ रहा है तो इट मीन्स इट्स नाउन. He that is full of pride is sure to fall. He के लिए आ रहा है, that is pronoun. There is no theater that has one vacant seat. यहाँ पे क्या है, that मतलब किससे related है, it's related to theater, that is noun. Though there was not a woman present who wept to hear such a news. यहाँ पे who wept आ रहा है, तो who is what, woman, and woman is a noun. The doctor I consulted gave me some advice. I consulted who, doctor, and the doctor is a noun. Now आपको यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं, उसको आपको कनेक्ट करना है किससे, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज से. एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज में who, which, when, where, that, why, whose, whom, कुछ भी यूज कर लो. So see, you must not drink water. The water, drink the water which is dirty. Which किसके लिए यूज करना था, thing, and water is a thing. She tells a tale. She tells a tale that is true. तो क्या यूज किया, that. He always likes to read the book that is full of humor. Now the tale, the book, ये सब क्या है, these are things. तो things के लिए हमें या तो which यूज करना था या that. तो यहाँ पे which तो कर नहीं सकते थे, that कर दिया. It's an ill wind that is blowing at present. Again that, because it's about wind. We all admire a man. Now it's about a man. तो पर्सन के लिए आप who, whom, whose कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या यूज किया, who. We all admire a man who is honest. Now what you have to do, you have to combine each set of simple sentence into one complex sentence containing an adjective clause. ठीक है, जैसे who, whom, when, whose, which, ये यूज करना है, that. See, some people live in glass houses. Such people not throw stones at other. The people who live in glass houses must not throw stone at the other. तो who use कर दिया हमने यहाँ पे. This is a hole a snake lives in. Place है, तो place के लिए where. This is the hole where a snake lives. Man was a stammer in his childhood. You admire his voice. It's related to a person. To who, who's whom. The man whose voice you admire now was a stammer in his childhood. Once there lived a farmer. He had a goose. The goose laid an egg every day. The egg was golden. Once there lived a farmer who had a goose that laid an golden egg every day. अब यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे man के लिए यूज हुआ है तो आपने यूज किया who. देन एग के लिए यूज किया है तो आपने इसको ज्वाइन किया किससे, दैट से. एंड दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट देखो, द कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स मेट सीक्रेटली. द प्लेस ऑफ देयर मीटिंग वाज अ ब्रिक जंगल, थिक जंगल. तो ये क्या हुआ, प्लेस. देयर ऑब्जेक्ट वाज टू मर्डर द किंग. ठीक है, नाउ ये क्या है, अब देखो, कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स मेट टुगेदर सीक्रेटली इन अ थिक जंगल विद एन ऑब्जेक्ट टू मर्डर द किंग. Change the following simple sentence into complex that contain. अब इसको आपको complex में convert करना है. An honest man is the noblest work of God. Complex बनाना है. A man who is honest is the noblest work of God. Who join कर दिया आपने. Their dwelling place is not known to us. The place where they dwell is not known to us. The girl is in the red dress is her sister. The girl who is wearing a red dress is his sister. The student with the highest marks received the prize. The student who got the highest marks received the prize. The fat hen laid an egg every day. The hen that was fat laid an egg every day. Okay, so ये तो बहुत easy थे. Adjective clause, I think it was quite easy. Now moving on to the next, that is adverb clause. Now see, adverb clause क्या कहता है, clause is continuous. Adverb clause हमें पता है, adverb clause does the work of an adverb and it can modify a verb, an adjective or an adverb. Now example देखो, the driver drove the bus while the conductor distributed the tickets. Adverb modify a verb, that is drove. Okay, drive का क्या हुआ, drove. Anuj studied harder than the teacher expected. Adverb modified an adjective, that is harder. Karan ran straight into his mother as if he had seen a ghost. Adverb modify an adverb, that is straight. Since an adverb clause, a complex sentence होता है, is a subordinate clause which does the work of an adverb and it can be of the following kinds. एडवर्ब क्लॉज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में यूज होते हैं. इन कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस वो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस होते हैं. उसका मतलब होता है विच डज द वर्क ऑफ एन एडवर्ब एंड इट कैन बी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग काइंड, लाइक प्लेस, कॉज एंड रीजन, कंपैरिजन, प्लेस, पर्पस, कंडीशन, मैनर, रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, सपोजिशन और कंसेशन. नाउ एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ टाइम, ये क्या होता है, these are introduced by subordinate conjunctions like what, these are, इनको हम करते हैं introduce. adverb clause of time हमेशा subordinate conjunction आएगी, कौन सी, जो time show करती है. जैसे देखो whenever, when, as, after, since, before, till. देखो I haven't heard from him since I returned from England. since किसको रेफर कर रहा है, टाइम को. ठीक है, उसके बाद में आ रहा है बिफोर यू लीव दिस प्लेस ब्रिंग मी सम सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक. नाउ बिफोर इज रेफरिंग टू व्हाट, बिफोर इज रेफरिंग टू टाइम. एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ प्लेस क्या होता है, दीज आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस लाइक वेयर, व्हेनेवर, व्हेंस, व्हिदर. ही रिटर्न्ड व्हेन ही केम एंड द डॉग फॉलोड हर व्हेनेवर शी वेंट, wherever she went. तो this is referring to the places. Now it's about the manner. manner वाले यूज होंगे वो subordinate conjunction जैसे as, as if, as though. So do others as you would be done by, as. So it's showing the manner. He talked as if he knew everything. So as if, it's again showing manner. Adverb clause of cause or reason. These are introduced by subordinating conjunctions like because, since, as, that. So because you have broken the rule, I shall dismiss you. ठीक है, so it's the reason, because I am glad that you have come, that, it's again showing the cause or the reason. Adverb clause of purpose. adverb clause of purpose क्या है, these are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions, that is that, in order that, so that, या least. I worked hard so that I might win a prize. So that. He spent little in order that he may save some money. तो in order that. तो ये क्या है, these are the clauses of purpose. एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंस, कहने का मतलब कोई भी चीज करने का क्या रिजल्ट हो रहा है. तो दीज आर इंट्रोड्यूस बाय सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस दैट, but the conjunction sometimes is misunderstood, is sometimes understood. She runs so fast that I cannot follow her. तो यहाँ पे ये that ने क्या बताया? Result. He is so brave, उसके brave होने का result क्या है? That he is not afraid of any danger. तो that से start हो रहा है, but it's showing what result or consequence. So it is the adverb clause of result or consequence. So now if question comes और पता चले कि that इसमें adverb और adverb clauses है, but what kind of adverb clause, तो वो आपको पता होना चाहिए that what kind of adverb clauses are these. So देखो फिर आता है adverb clause of comparison. ये इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं बाय वन ऑफ द सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन और रिलेटिव एडवर्ब्स लाइक एज और देन. कंपैरिजन हमेशा देन से होता है. नाउ डिग्री शो करना जनरली accompanied by as or so in the main clause, like she is as delicate as she is beautiful. ठीक है, तो as और as से हमने कंपैरिजन किया. देन हमेशा ऑलवेज यूज किया जाता है accompanied by a comparative or by words like other in the main clause, like she is younger then she looks. तो यहाँ पे देखो then आ गया. The verb of the clause of comparison is often not expressed by only understood. He eats more than Bhuvan. तो does. Anshu is as tall as her father is. तो अपने आप में ये क्वेश्चन है, does he eat? और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में आ जाएगा is he taller? तो yes, कंपैरिजन हो रहा है and it's a question that is raised. एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंडीशन. नाउ देखो एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंडीशन क्या कहती है. एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंडीशन बोलती है that these are generally introduced by subordinating conjunctions like if, unless, whether. ये generally introduce होते हैं by subordinating conjunctions जैसे कि if, unless, whether. Now examples क्या है? If it rains, I shall not go out. अगर rain हो तो I shall not go out. If you will not pass unless you work harder. So this is again a condition that you will not pass unless you work harder. Adverb clause of supposition or concession क्या कहता है? That these clauses are introduced by subordinating conjunctions like although, though, even if, as. सपोजिशन या कंसेशन ये बोलता है कि ये जो क्लॉजेज है ये इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं बाय सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन, जैसे कि इसमें ऑल्दो, दो, इवन इफ, ये हमेशा होते हैं कंसेशन शोइंग. लाइक दो ही इज पुअर ही इज ऑनेस्ट. Even if she fails, she will not give up hope. So these are what? These are the suppositions and concessions. Now see, इसके क्या है adverb clause के? Pick out the adverb clause in the following sentence and say of what kind it is. Adverb clause बताना. देखो, so good a man is he that all respect him. So so good a man, and this is the reason. Make hay while the sun shines. While is showing what? Adverb of time. Oh God, be with us, least we forget. Least हमने देखा था, अगर least कहीं पे आ रहा है तो it's showing what? Reason. No one can judge better than she can. Then कहाँ आया था? Comparison. Since you desire, I will look into the matter. That is again reason. It's giving us the reason. Okay, now see, combine a set of each set of simple sentences into a complex containing adverb clause. Adverb clause को यूज करके आपको इसको बताना है complex में. Strike now the iron is hot. Strike while the iron is hot. You may cheat cleverly, you will be found at last. You may cheat cleverly, least you may be found out. They fought bravely, the enemies were driven off. The enemies were driven off as they fought bravely. You must take your medicine, you will not get better. You must take your medicine so that you can get better. The signal was given, everyone immediately raised a shout. When the signal was given, everyone immediately raised a shout. He was not there, I spoke to his brother. He was not there, so I spoke to his brother. Now you have to complete the sentence by adding a adverb clause. और bracket में दिया है कि कौन सा adverb clause use करना है. So time का use करना है. I sat and talked while I remained with my friend. So while is showing time. He returned. Now place. Whence he came. So whence is showing place. She talked as if she knew everything. So if, as if is showing the manner which is asked. He was arguing a lot, so we let him preside over the meeting. So this is the reason. It was so far off that I decided not to go. So that यहाँ पे is showing the result. She is as wise as her mother. यहाँ पे as wise as is comparison. If he agreed to all my conditions, I would accept. So if यहाँ पे is showing the condition. He was tried, yet he did it. He was tried, tired, yet he did it. So this is supposition. So this way we can say यहाँ पे आपको if को use करके rewrite करना है. If you don't get away, you will get crushed. So question क्या था? You will get crushed, get away. So rewrite करना है. Without changing essential meaning नहीं बदलना चाहिए. So see, Tagore was a painter. He was also a poet. Beside being a poet, Tagore was also a painter. As soon as use करना है. I received a telegram. Immediately I went to see her. As soon as I received the telegram, I went to see her. Until use करना है. I will get ready. Do not go till then. Do not go until I get ready. So that को use करना है. It is very simple. Even a child can understand it. It is so simple that a child can understand it. Unless you must take your medicines regularly, you will not get better. Unless you take your medicines regularly, you will not get better. The old woman is quite happy. She is very poor. Now rewrite karo. Although the old woman is poor, she is quite happy. Now rewrite करना है आपको as if को use करके. So see, she ran, she was chased by a lion. She ran as if she was chased by a lion. So this way we can say rewriting आ सकता है, changing आ सकता है, bracket में hints हो सकते हैं, उसके according sentence को convert करना है, ठीक है, sentence को complete करना है आपको. तो this way आपको different kind of exercises मिलती रहेंगी that you have to work on related to the main three clauses, main three subordinate clauses, that is noun, adverb and adjective. Okay, so we can say that this is all. यहाँ पे chapter complete है. Okay students, so this is all for the class today. Take care of yourself, go through the topic, revise it well, jot down the doubts, and tomorrow in the beginning 10 minutes we all will discuss and clear your doubts. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye and see you.